Welcome back to Cogni Central. Get ready for another round of math, science, and general knowledge challenges. Comment how much score you did and inspire others. Don't forget to like and subscribe. A deltiologist specializes in collecting postcards. Anemia is caused by iron deficiency. Calculate the value of 4 squared raised to the power of 3. For 1096. How are the plants adapted to survive in the desert habitat? They can store the water in large storage. If the x squared equals 49, what is the value of x? Seven. If the x cube is equal to 27, what is the value of x? 3. In a freshwater habitat, which animal adaptation is essential for oxygen acquisition? Gills. If two angles are supplementary and one of the angles measures 110 degrees, what is the measure of the other angle? 70 degrees. The critical periods in developmental psychology refers to specific time when certain skills are best learned. The strange situation procedure assesses attachment style. The concept of learned helplessness is associated with operant conditioning. What adaptation helps polar bears to survive in the cold conditions of polar habitats? Thick blubber and fur. What does a Coleopterist study? Beetles. What is the correct sequence of change on the surface of Earth? Weathering, erosion, deposition. What is the measure of the average kinetic energy of molecules in a substance? Temperature. What is the name for a compound that consists of only carbon and hydrogen atoms? Hydrocarbon. What is the name for a measure of how spread out the data are from the mean? Standard deviation. What is the name for a triangle with all 3 sides of equal length? Equilateral. What is the name for a triangle with one angle greater than 90 degrees? Obtuse. What is the name for a type of bias in which the participants' expectations influence the results of a study? Subject bias. What is the name for a type of fault in which rocks on either side move past each other sideways? Strike-slip fault. What is the name for a visual representation of data using slices of a circle? Pie chart. What is the name for the area of land where all of the water that falls in it and drains off of it goes into the same place? Watersheds. What is the name for the branch of geology that deals with the study of glaciers? Deltiology. What is the name for the branch of geology that deals with the study of the geology of other planets and moons? Planetary geology. What is the name for the era of geologic time dominated by dinosaurs? Mesozoic era. What is the name for the reaction that joins monomers together to form a polymer? Polymerization. What is the name for the study of non-carbon containing compounds? Inorganic chemistry. What is the name for the study of the Earth's shape and size? Geodesy. What is the name of the largest ocean on Earth? Pacific Ocean. What is the name of the mountain in America that has presidents sculpted on it? Mount Rushmore. What is the name of the part of the ear that helps us balance? Semicircular canals. What is the name of the process by which sediments are laid down in a new location? Deposition. What is the outcome of 1/3 cube? (127). What is the primary focus of psychology? What is the role of the sympathetic nervous system? Fight or flight response. What is the C unit of electric charge? Coulomb. What is the tendency to conform to group norms? Conformity. What is the term for the brain's ability to change and adapt? Neuroplasticity. What photographic term was first used when Nathan Hope posted an image of his injured face online? Selfie. What type of bird is known for its rapid wing beats and ability to hover in air while feeding on nectar? Hummingbird. What type of image is formed by a plane mirror? Virtual and Rec. Which American actor starred in the sitcom The King of Queens? Kevin James. Which word is similar to days? Stupor. Which word is similar to disloyalty? Infidelity. Which word is similar to drool? Saliva. Which word is similar to elongate? Lengthen. Which word is similar to inaccuracy? Imprecision. Which American tennis player was a champion at Wimbledon, the US Open, and the Australian Open? Arthur Ashe. Which ancient civilization built the Colosseum? Roman Empire. Great job, nerd! See you next time.